explain working of low oil content circuit breaker. So during the normal operating condition, the fixed and moving contacts remain in touch, allowing the normal load current or fault current to pass through the breaker. The oil inside the interrupter pot surrounds the contacts, acting as an insulating medium only. Now, when a fault occurs, the protection relay sends a trip signal to the breaker's operating mechanism. The mechanism quickly drives the moving contact away from the fixed contact, initiating arc formation between them in the arc chamber. Now, moving contact is hollow and the turbulator is the arc controlling device. There are radial and axial vents in the turbulator. These radial vents is useful to interrupt the heavy fault currents like cross-jet explosion pot, and the axial vent is used to interrupt the low value of the current or the fault current like the plain explosion pot. Now, as the contacts separate, an electric arc is struck in between them inside the small oil chamber. The high temperature of the arc causes the decomposition of the oil surrounding and causes the gas production, mainly hydrogen and hydrocarbon gases. The gas pressure and oil circulation inside the arc chamber increases rapidly. The high velocity gas bubbles and oil flow are directed through rapidly or specialized design nozzles or vents across the arc. This blows away the ionized particles, cools the arc and lengthens the arc path, reducing or say deionizing the arc and reducing its conductivity. Now, when the current passes through its natural current zero instant, the dielectric strength between the contacts recovers rapidly and the arc is extinguished. After the interruption, the gas and the vapor bubbles move to the top chamber and the oil cools and regains the insulation properties back again. These pressure vents release any excess gas pressure to avoid damage to the enclosure or the breaker. The breaker remains open, completely isolating the faulty part from the healthy one, and it remains in open condition unless and until it is closed manually or automatically by the operator itself. So this is the simplest type of working of minimum oil content circuit breaker.